Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. I'm out here with one of my classic drones. It's an MJX drone right here, and I can't believe I haven't flown MJX on this Boxer transmitter, so I have to find and create a model on the fly. So there you go. Let's see, we're gonna have to bind it. Hey, don't step on my drone, y'all. Let me see. Binding it didn't work, so let me see. Is it a sub protocol? Let me see. Okay. We're going to try the X400. Okay, there we go. Okay, so something has to be reversed. So I'm going to have to switch that from X400 to something else. Let me see. Maybe X600? No, something's still backwards on here, y'all. So the elevator is backwards. So I'm going to have to go in here and switch the elevator real quick. Edit the elevator. We're going to change the weight to -100. And that should do the trick. There it goes. Let's try it. Okay, that fixed the elevator right there. And I don't really do too much or anything else. Not too much of flips or anything with this. Oh! And it's getting some kind of interference. It just flew towards the ground all of a sudden. Let me see what's going on with it. I have no idea. I haven't flown this thing in a while, but I'm almost certain that it's the I'm almost certain that was from interference or whatnot. So I'm gonna keep it away from the Home Depot now. It just went wacky on me over there. My kids are out here running around. And this is the MJX X400. Is that a bird over there whistling, or is that my son? Yeah, it was definitely interference from over there at Home Depot. Oh, I forgot. I almost went down there again. Y'all don't mess with those bushes over there. It's poison ivy over there. This thing was a gift from one of my subs, my guy Chuck. He sent this in. A rare color. Usually this is white or black. And he got me this red when I swapped out the front arms or whatnot for some white ones that I had. Let's try to do some proximity between the trees or whatnot. Just for fun. I gotta be careful now. Oh! I wonder if this will do a... Oh! Got my answer. I was going to try to do a manual flip with it. Didn't look like it was going to go well, so I kind of bailed out. Oop, nicked one of the tree branches there. Try it again. And I'm convinced it's not going to work out. Trying to do a darn manual flip. I done crashed my bird again. No damage taken, but it did switch off. There's an on and off switch on here. So I have to go back in here and bind it again. Okay, looks like the binding works. And I tossed it and it didn't stay down or whatnot. I don't know what happened. Hey, where'd you get that chain from? Put that back. It's rusty. Put it back. So I guess that we can say that was a durability test. We had 2 of them with this thing. Oh, 3. Hey, what did I say about that chain? Put it back right now. Put it back right now. Adam, put it back right now. Okay, so it didn't switch off this time. Wait, actually, where are my lights? I didn't set up the lights. Feels like the battery's getting a little weak on me. Hey, y'all stay on that side. A car's coming. Stay there. Stay there. A little more proximity over here. I feel like really dangerous. Made it in between there, but I banged out. A little too low to the ground. Let me see, am I still active? Oh, it sounds like we got something inside one of the gears there. This bird has a geared prop set up. that's the yaw right there. Not really a fast yaw at all, but the pitch is so deep that it makes up for it. So you can get a tight turn like that. Oh, that sounds ugly. I don't like the sound of that, y'all. I think we're going to take this in and do some maintenance on it. Get that rock or whatever is stuck in there out of there. Oh yeah, it's getting weak too, so let's bring it in. So it's the MJX X400 from my guy Chuck. A quick little, I guess we can say a fix. I haven't flown a drone in a little while. Well, not this type of drone anyhow. And so we had to get our fix, y'all. Make sure you smash the like button on the way out. Thanks for watching.